Hi, this video I'm just going to demonstrate how to use online dataset such as contour lines data from the government website and then combining with ArcGIS, AutoCAD and then eventually 3ds Max to create a realistic 3D terrain. So first of all, I've already downloaded this dataset, the 1 to 5 meter contour lines for this suburb called Diamond Creek. For our purpose, I'm just going to limit the work boundary to this small area here. First of all, we can run the clipping tool to just generate the contour lines for this site. For this video, I've already done that. So here is the site contour dataset. The next step is we have to export these contours to CAD. So we come down to Arc Toolbox and then we can go to Conversion Tools, which is here, and down here we can say Export to CAD. So double click. And then the import feature will be the site contour, and then we can just choose the location we will want to export it to. So we can just use this desktop folder and just name it sitecontours.dwg and save, and then we click OK. Then GIS is going to do the processing, and once that's done, we come to CAD and then open the file. We can have a look. So basically we can see the contour lines has already been exported. So now we can go to 3ds Max. We just reset the file, and now we can import that CAD file we just created from GIS, so this one here, and yeah, we just choose the site contours layer and we just go to meters and click OK. And now we can see the contours are in here, so we select all and we go down to compound objects and click terrain. So now we can see a problem here, which is one of the purposes I want to do this video. If we zoom in, you can see the terrain has actually no details because it's basically flat. The problem is if we go back to the AutoCAD and we switch the view, we can see that the contours actually has no height information. So what we need to do is first of all we just reset this because we don't need this one anymore. So save. The problem is actually with the GIS file. So first of all, we come here, we just delete that one, and so still use the original site contours. If we open the attribute table, we can see that the height information is actually stored under this field, which is called altitude, but I think CAD or 3ds Max doesn't read that as the height information. So what we need to do is come down to table options and add a new field and name it as elevation. This is very important as this field is the only data that CAD can read, and we leave the type to short integer. Okay, and next what we need to do is basically copy all those altitude data to this new elevation field. What we can do is simply just right click and then use the field calculator, and yes, so basically in this form here, we can just say elevation equals to altitude, double click, and OK. So basically, all the data from altitude got copied to elevation. So now we close that. And what we can do is with this side contour selected, we export to CAD again. And now choose the import feature, side contours. Actually, we might change that to DWG 2000 and then just to the same location, just override the previous CAD file, save, and we untick the ignore paths and tables. So that data will gonna get exported to CAD as well. So yeah, press OK. Something has happened, so let's just redo that. So we use that, maybe just change that to 2000. We might just rename it different. Okay, save all that and press OK. Yeah, no, this time it worked. So we come to CAD and let's just close this one. And no. So we open the new one we just exported, which is side contour 01. We open that. And if we switch to the side view, that we can see the height information has been exported to CAD correctly. So what we can do now is come to 3ds Max, just import that file again. Here, the contour 01, just open that. So is just choose that one and rescale to meters. Okay. Now this window pops up because it says the center of the incoming model is located as this distance. That's because in ArcGIS we have this file georeferenced. You can see these coordinates down here. So basically that's why 3ds Max has that information. So basically we can just keep going. It doesn't really matter. Just click yes. And then now the contour is going to be imported correctly, and if we sort of rotate it around, we can say that it has height information associated to the lines. So if we select all and we go down to compound objects and terrain, then that will generate the terrain correctly. With this, we can sort of come in here and have edit poly modifier, just trying to clean up those areas a little bit. So just choose these ones that's sort of on the corner. Delete that. Yeah. So okay. So now basically we have this 3D terrain to work with. So that's just like basic workflow of how to get in data from internet and bring them into ArcGIS and then finally create this 3D terrain model, which can be quite useful for landscape projects and other purposes. So that's it. Thank you.